Dito kami ngayon sa Hanmer Spring. Ayan, small town siya dito sa South Island, New Zealand. And this morning, it's freezing, frosty outside. As in, yung grass ay nag-frost. Negative degrees. So, hanapin ng breakfast. So, let's go. See you later sa Hanmer Spring. Hanmer Spring pool. Wala din na natin ano if it's frozen. The lake, the river.
The lake's not going to be frozen.
Yan.
Mini golf.
Which mini? It's freezing, frozen. The car is frozen. Negative degrees today, so yan, frozen ang mga grass. So frosty siya, yung grass yan. Kaya siya puti tingnan kasi frosty. Yan. The grass, no?
The grass is frosty.
Sausage rolls, sausages, to-go food, they have pies, they have also breakfast, and they have like this, drinks. It's nice. The log cabin. So we ordered one sausage roll and one pie and 2 coffees. So that's it. Our breakfast. So we have coffee.
Now, didn't you?
That was time lapse.
Slow motion.
$7 and a ship. Nag-half na kami. Pies is also $7. Coffee is $6. Hanmer Spring people. Where am I? Track my face. What are you doing? So today, after eating breakfast, it's frosty, slippery because it's frosty sa daan. So after namin breakfast, wala man kami gawin, so may hill dito na pwede mo akyatin. So yan ang gagawin namin ngayon. Oh, grabe, super cold. Look at my so ayan, dito na kami sa, ayan siya, 1, 2, 3 conical hill walkway. So papunta doon. So yan, hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan ang kaya namin akyatin for today's video. Super. So yan yung view ng Hanmer Spring. Yan yung town. So ayan, frosty siya. today kasi negative degrees pagising namin, as in yung car ay nag-ice baby. So ayan, Conical Hill Reserve. So starting pa lang to. So hindi ko alam kung kaya namin. Huh?
You can do a loop.
Walk.
Yeah, so.
And it's super cold. Bloody cold. Ano pang matawag mo sa super lamig? As in, yung hininga mo ay umaatikabong aso. Parang tambutso na yung hininga mo. Diba? Yung pangarap natin na mag-scarf, magganito ay natupad dahil ang lamig. Hindi mo kakayanin ang lamig sa lugar na ito. Nasa kalibunan. Ito yung trail.
It's the road that was carved out by the really city.
After 5 minutes, hingal na po si Inday Garutay. Grabe. Punta pa kami doon. So, let's do this.
Just love what you're doing at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You look like a psycho.
So, partner ko sabi psycho. Oh, she's a psycho. Okay. So, uphill. Galing kami dyan. Agoy. It's so uphill. So, sabi daw, 90 to 120 minutes. Okay. 1 hour and a half.
Let's walk the whole track. Let's ride around town.
Okay. Let's do this. Ayun. So, yung mga mahilig dyan sa hike, this is very good. And you have a view also. Han, we need to see the view first. Sige. Okay. Ito yung view, kalahati pala ng walking. So yan yung Hanmer Spring Town. River ba yan, Han?
There's no river here.
What's that? They have seating if you're so tired walking. Ayan. Pwede ka umupo dyan. So, sunrise na siya. Let's do again. Dyan kami galing. Punta naman kami dito, papunta ng taas. So, after nung kinain namin, na sausage roll and pie and coffee. Okay. After this, alam na. Hungry. Oh no. Gutom ulit si Inday Garutay. Dahil sa pinagagawa namin walking. So, parang pinkish ang ating mga face dyan. Face lock. Okay. So, ang taas na ng narating namin. Oh, follow the Carrera Falcon. So that's this though. Whew. What I'm talking about, because of the cold and the tiredness that I'm feeling right now. So, galing kami dyan sa baba. Agoy. Agoy, agoy. That's very hard to go up there. No, no, really. That's the sun. Actually, you can bypass that road, but we opted not to because it's too steep. You need your knees to be a bit relaxed. Is it right hand?
Yeah.
Right or wrong?
Taking that there like a picture.
Picture taking?
Yeah, that there,
Finally, after how many minutes? We're almost on the top of the hill. So that's it. The sun is shining brightly. Very good. Hammer forest walking trails. We did 25?
so far we have, yeah.
1 hour return. So 30 going up and 30 going down. It's a bit frosty here. Oh. See? Oh. It's a bit frosty, so it's a bit nice. Whew. Finally, we did it! Yeah! Nandito na kami sa taas! Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's poop. What poop is that, Han? So they have this, meron silang para makarest kayo after the walk. And this is the view. Beautiful. Ooh. Especially when it's snowing, siguro maganda. Pero pa-start pa lang kasi ng winter, kaya frosty pa lang. Hindi pa talaga siya snow. Beautiful. So yan yung view. Like beautiful.
I like how they've got, tells you which way you're going, west, north, south and east.
This side is west. Ayan. So that's the view of the south.
They're calling it Lewis's Hills.
I east. So that's E. So that's the east.
The sun can't get anywhere in here. It's too fucking sheltered.
With the sun rise. Follow me. And show the beauty of you're the videographer.
And
stop.
she disappears.
Beautiful view up in here. Ooh. So that's it for our hike dito sa clinical hill walkway. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope makapunta din kayo dito at mag-hike at makita ang maganda na view. Ayan siya. Pagod na siya. So, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! God bless everyone! Looking out here. Stepping. It's good they have toilets here. Han, can... Ngayon, punta naman kami dito sa famous, is it famous? Popular spring. Pools. Thermal pools. Thermal, no? Dito sa Hanmer Spring. The Hanmer Spring. Hanmer Springs Thermal Pools and Spa.